Today we're talking about coconut syrup, and let me tell you something. I love coconut syrup. It's so delicious, right? So there's like two different ways you can do it. There's a school of thought that you just add, water, sugar, and coconut milk, right? And that makes it super delicious and equal parts water to sugar to coconut milk. Great. Well, obviously it's never good enough for me. Gotta always jazz it up a bit, right? So I like to go the extra mile for that pina colada kind of flavor. So you're having there, again, equal parts water, sugar, coconut, milk. And now we're gonna just add and squish some fresh pineapple. And we're gonna throw it on top. And I would say just about a cup of fresh pineapple. And you're gonna put the whole piece inside of there, and it smells super good and delicious. I'm gonna throw it in. You're gonna put it on the stove. You're gonna melt that sugar. You are not going to bring this to a boil because we know that if you boil your simple syrup, you're making something different, and that's not what we want to do. But what you'll have left after you strain it is this delicious coconut pina colada syrup that's so good. And it's really hot right now, making dirty drinks. So you can add this to like your Coca-Cola and soda water, juice, different drinks. And then instead of making it dirty with like what you might think of as olive juice, new version, dirty with the coconut syrup. Enjoy.